Hey guys, what's up? My name is Francis. I am a menswear influencer. You can find me on social media at Francis Lee Baker 4. I have been using a new skincare line called Maxwell skincare, and I felt like this would be the perfect opportunity to make a video about my skincare routine. So the line comes with 3 products. You get a cleanser, you get an exfoliator, also get moisturizer. This line is actually trying to help guys take care of their skin. Just because we're men doesn't mean that we shouldn't be taking care of ourselves. Like, skin is skin. It doesn't change, because you're a woman, you should be taking care of your skin as well. We're gonna go in with the first step, which is the cleanser. So it is a foaming cleanser. Foaming cleansers aren't usually my favorite, just because I feel like a lot of times they can be too harsh on the skin. But I will say that this one is actually surprisingly gentle. I feel like it actually balances my skin rather than just stripping it of all of its moisture. So I haven't really minded this cleanser. I've been following a lot of new skincare YouTubers, and one of my favorite channels is the Golden RX. And I mentioned her because I'm washing my face right now, and she talks about her 60-second rule. And basically, you should be washing your face for at least 60 seconds. I feel like a lot of people just kind of freestyle it, wash until it feels clean, and they get out of there. But you should be just making sure that you're washing your face for at least 60 seconds, just to make sure that you're really cleansing your skin. Okay, then rinse it off. Another thing that I've learned from Golden RX, I really don't use a whole lot of toners, but I stumbled on one of her videos about the importance of using toners, and so I've been trying to do that ever since. So another thing that you want to do with a skincare routine is to tone after every step, especially after cleansing, because your cleanser doesn't always get everything. A toner is another way to help. It's just another step to cleanse the skin, but it also helps moisturize and hydrate the skin as well. So this is another toner that she recommended. This is the Rosewater toner by Heritage Store. And like I said, you want to make sure that you're toning between every step of your routine, just to help hydrate your skin. You can see that's pretty gross, but that's after we've already used a cleanser, so that helps get more of that dirt out of your skin. Okay, we're starting to get a little glow going. It's gonna be nice and clean. All right, step 2. So step 2 is gonna be the exfoliator. I'm usually not a huge fan of scrubs like this, but this one is actually super gentle. It doesn't have a super abrasive scrubbing agent, so it's actually not too harsh at all, which I like, because I feel like a lot of products will have I don't even know, whatever beads or whatever they're using as the exfoliator. I just feel like it gets all stuck in my beard, and I literally hate that. So I usually don't like a scrub, but this one is not too bad at all. Again, we're gonna do this for about 60 seconds. So as far as using a scrub like this, you should be exfoliating at least 2 to 3 times a week. I typically if I'm gonna exfoliate that day, I like to do it before bed. I really like to pay really good attention to my nose, because I feel like that is a place that usually just needs a lot of work. So got a lot of attention. Going back in with our toner. So usually after the first time I tone with the cotton pad, I will usually just spray it on, because yeah, that's just what I do. Okay, I don't know why. That's just what we're doing. Next step, I like to use a vitamin C serum, and what I've been using right now is called the Bright Potion by Saturday Skin. But we're just gonna go in with 1 pump. That actually wasn't enough, so we're gonna go in with 2 pumps. And I just put that on my fingertips so we don't waste any of the serum. Okay, the one pump may have been enough, but you know, it's okay to do a little bit more. I feel like skincare, nothing wrong with a little extra, going overboard. Okay. I mean, we are really looking healthy, okay? All right, so one of my big skin concerns are like the dark marks all over my face. Every blackhead, every pimple, whatever, it always leaves some type of scar. So I'm always trying to work on like fading those scars. One product I've been using is the Skin Brightening Cream by Good Science Beauty. I'm really depressed because I'm towards the end of it. We've like used it up, but I've really enjoyed it. What I like about it most is that it really helps prevent new scarring. It also takes care of like your old scars as well, but I really like that it helps prevent like those new scars, because if you don't get those new scars, then you don't have to worry about. I feel like once it really sets into the skin, it's really difficult to fade it. See, we're having to, I mean, we're all the way down at the end. Super depressing. But I mean, since we already put our serum on, we're gonna go back in with our toner too. I'm thinking about it. That's about what we're gonna use today. That's what it looks like as well. It's a texture. I like it just because it's nice and creamy. I feel like it also kind of helps moisturize the skin as well as it's fading your scars. We're also gonna get some more toner going. Last step is to use your moisturizer. What I really love is that they give you so much product. I mean, that is a lot of product. I feel like most moisturizers, like they're giving you nothing. It's usually about like half of that. So this is a lot of product. I feel like this is gonna last a long time. So I wanna say it's between like 50 and 60 for all three products, which is such a good value, especially for how much product you're getting. This moisturizer is nice too, just because it's not super thick, but it's not super light either. It's nice, you know, a good in-between kind of like consistency. We're just gonna pat that into the skin. And that is basically it. This is probably everything that I would do for my nighttime routine. The only addition for like a daytime routine would just be to apply a sunscreen, something like 30 and above. That's actually gonna help like protect your skin against the sun. Definitely apply your sunscreen, especially if you're gonna be using like an exfoliator. I don't know, any type of product that's gonna make your skin a little bit sensitive. The sun is also gonna increase that. So it's super important to wear some sunscreen. Here's all of our steps. Next up, we've got our cleanser, we've got our exfoliator, and we've got our moisturizer. That's it, guys. See you later.